can see, this is our DLB. The DLB that we have, it can control lighting, as we can see. So I can put it into love mode. I can put it onto film mode. I can put it onto drink mode, and I can also dim it, or I can ramp it as I wish. As simple as that. The nice thing also about this is I can control my music from this one. I can start my music, make the volume higher.
I'm getting scared. Ain't got
I can pause, or I can play.
The DJ accepts no responsibility for the next record. This is a request.
As you can see, I can play, I can pause, I can do whatever I like. This is the music. It shows me the volume. It is already 14 seconds out of 3 minutes and 47 seconds for this song. It is for Kazım Al-Sahir. انسى الدنيا, انسى العالم. It is source 2, for example. Track 2 out of 14. If I try to control my TV, let me just switch off the music as an example. I'll go to the TV. If I start my TV, for example, and I can change the channels of the TV, as we can see now. I can also increase the volume of the TV, as we can see now, or I can decrease the power of the TV, the volume of the TV, as we can see also now. I can change the AV. I can go, for example, to satellite. Now I'm going to satellite. If I go to the satellite, I can change the channels. For example, I can increase the volume. I can decrease the volume as I wish. I can, from TV, make it radio. I can increase the volume. Or decrease the volume. If I am interested, I can go to TV again and change the channel. And I can go to the DVD, and I can start the DVD, as we can see now. Of course, I can play or pause the DVD the way I like it. For example, I will play the DVD. It is loading. Just 1 second. I can increase the speed, go forward. Forward more, faster. Or I can play again, for example. Let's say I want to go to toilet, I can pause it. I can go, for example, to the toilet, or to open the door, or whatever. I can come, I play it again. This is just very fast demonstration on what we can do. Also, of course, we can control the air conditioning or other things. Let me stop the DVD, pause it as an example. I'll go to the TV, to the air conditioning. I'll stop the air conditioning. I'll start the air conditioning. I can change from high to medium to low, or to auto, or to high again. So it is my choice. I can change the temperature, desired temperature, as needed, for example. So this is the beauty about our air conditioning control. So this device can control anything you like, from lighting, music, air conditioning, DVD, satellite, TV, etc.